Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. I have a special guest today with me. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, my name is Christina. I'm 45 years old and I have a 14 years old boy.
Christina and I started this journey 10 weeks ago. So let's go from the beginning. So what motivated you to sign up for this program?
So all my life I was pretty fit. Weight wasn't really a problem for me. Then after I had my son and especially after I turned 40, I noticed adding extra weight every year. So I tried different programs, I tried different diets, but I was doing everything that I thought is right, but I felt stuck.
And how much total weight did you lose over the 10 weeks?
10 weeks, I lost 11 pounds.
11 pounds. Would you consider that as an achievement?
It's a big achievement for me. I never ever thought that I could do that in 10 weeks.
What were your expectations before starting this journey?
I was thinking, I don't know, maybe 5 pounds,
Yeah.
3 kilograms there, but no, definitely not 11 pounds.
And when was the last time you've seen your parent weight?
Before I became a mother, for
So
sure. That's many years ago. My
Many
son
years
is
ago.
14, so yeah.
Did we focus only on food or it was something else?
So this program is not a diet program. That is just a module, it's just a part of the program. I would call it more, it's an educational and a program than anything else.
So do you think if somebody is trying to lose weight, as an example, or change his lifestyle, is it doable to do it overnight, or he
No,
or she has to do it gradually?
absolutely not. It's not. You can't do that overnight. And what I appreciate about your program is that we didn't do any cut some food groups at once. It was all gradually. It was all understanding why you are doing what you're doing.
Like, did we promote a specific school of diet during this program?
No.
Or we learned about...
We learn about multiple school of diets, and no, it's not just learning once and do it this way or or that way, or eat this and don't eat that.
Yeah, do you think on day one, let's say if we started, if we just start the new lifestyle or the new diet, whatever you call it, on day one, without going through 10 weeks of education, would that be possible?
No, because I did that in the past and it didn't work. So no, so you need this education. You need to change your thinking before you
That's
get
right.
into action.
Can you describe what you learned in one or a few words?
In a few words, I would say my relationship with food changed completely after 10 weeks.
Yeah.
My goal was necessary when I came to see you to lose a certain number of pounds. My goal was to have more energy overall,
Yeah.
and to have a better
Mental clarity.
clarity.
Yeah,
That was the main goal, and definitely I can say that I achieved that, and also I know it's the beginning of a journey. So now I've got the tools after 10 weeks.
Sorry, and do you think in the future you will gain back what you lost, or you'll go back to your old lifestyle?
I don't think so, and now it's on camera, so I don't think that's going to happen. After 10 weeks of learning what I learned,
Yeah.
I don't think I will ever go back.
But why? Where the confidence is coming from? Because usually people, after they lose weight, they gain it back after a while. Right? But why you have the confidence that you will not gain it back?
Because you got the knowledge, and when you get the knowledge and understanding why you're doing what you're doing, that makes a huge difference. You're not doing it because somebody told you, without the background, right? Why you are doing what you're doing. So I don't think weight will ever be a problem for me.
Yeah.
I think, as I said, it's just the beginning of a healthy lifestyle.
Excellent. Anything else you would like to say at the end?
I just want to say that I will be forever grateful to the friend that told me about this program, and I will always be grateful for your help and putting up with me for 10 weeks and all the questions that I've been asking. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Christian. Thank you so much.
Thank you.